We just put this swarm of bees in a box. And listen to that. That is the most amazing sound. These bees are actually saying, hey, we've got us a home here. Most amazing sound. I don't see the, most likely the queen bee got inside the box when we chuck it. I mean, they've done left that tree branch and they're already coming to here. Most amazing sound. They're sending out their pheromone. That's how they communicate. Bees communicate by odor. These bees are saying, home. We've got us a home. Now, if I was to go in here and start thrashing and going on and start killing bees, they would actually release an odor saying danger. And they'd come out with their little stingers ready to go. Well, let's see how these bees do. So, the 7th swarm, good man up above, been good to us. Alright folks, thank you for visiting Tennessee Raw Honey Farm. We have more videos to come. Hit the like button. Subscribe button? Okay, we'll subscribe. There's my little beekeeper. 13 years old.